Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy aDudemanbro, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I hope you are green today and you are making lots of that money right now because it is looking really good. We had some good news yesterday. We have the Bitcoin ETFs going to start trading on the NASDAQ today. And I think that we're going to be seeing some really bullish things going forward, and that is with Ethereum and Ripple, XRP. All those are going to be going insane, I think. So anyway, that's going to lead me to today's video, and that is going to be about the Bitcoin ETF and the approval, what to kind of know, what an ETF is kind of, and why this is very big and awesome for Bitcoin. But anyway, if you would like to smash that like button and leave a comment down below, are you going to be purchasing the ETF? Are you going to be holding a little bit of your portfolio in that? Do you think that that is better to be, a pool of funds and actually, not on an exchange or not in your wallet? I would really like to know what you guys think about that. If you would like to look in the description below, I have some of my links if you would like to check some of it out. It really helps the video, or it really helps the channel. It makes it a little easier for me to do some of these videos, and I really do appreciate it. But anyway, we're going to jump into this video here. So first thing I kind of want to talk about is just Bitcoin in general. We've seen throughout the whole year, it's actually up. And I don't know why this is, because it's the same day. For the year, it's up 166% for the year. That is some really great news. We've seen it at about a little bit under 18,000 for one Bitcoin at the very beginning of 2023. And I see this going crazy, honestly, because it has a store of what I consider, or I compare to gold. And with this Bitcoin ETF too, I see a lot of people who, so there are like 2 or 3 different kinds of people who are into the crypto space. There's people who I feel like love the technology and get it and just want to see us, move forward and become better society, and just get away from the banks who are definitely corrupt, and get away from the people who just want to take our money. There's people who kind of don't really care. They're just like, oh, there. And then there's people who hate it because they think that it's just made out of anywhere, which is kind of funny in my personal opinion, because, the US dollar used to be pegged to gold, but now we're literally printing money. So that is like kind of funny. It's like money. It's like Bitcoin in its own, but paper Bitcoin. That just kind of blows my mind. But anyway, get off topic. I love that the Bitcoin ETF was announced and approved. So first of all, an ETF is an exchange traded fund, and it is a pool of investments that are all put together and to buy something. So in this, it would be Bitcoin, and anyone that puts their money in would not own the Bitcoin. It would all be pulled together. But why I'm super bullish on this is there's only a limited supply of Bitcoin. And these companies, and there's 11 right now that were approved, they have to own that Bitcoin to be able to have this fund, which I think is very bullish because, like I said, there's only a certain amount, and for them to get it. And I also think that we're going to see people who don't really know a good technology. People are scared when they first get into Bitcoin and everything, or cryptocurrency, because it's online, digital only. I kind of compare it to how it was during the first internet craze, where people were like, I'm not putting my debit card or any of my information on there because I'm going to be hacked. And look how far we've come. We're literally sharing everything on Facebook and TikTok. They're way overshares. But I think that this ETF is actually going to bring the people who don't want to be, don't want to actually get their own wallets, and they're too scared to, they're going to be able to just own it by this ETF. And that's, I think, super bullish. I love that. On top of that, you have the halving in about 105 days, which is going to lower the amount of Bitcoin that is received from miners and by half. And I think that's awesome because, like I said, less Bitcoin coming into the, less Bitcoin coming in means that Bitcoin should, hypothetically speaking, should go up. And so very bullish on that. One thing I do want to kind of talk about, which was kind of funny, hilarious actually, is the SEC supposedly got hacked, which they got hacked for like 10 minutes, which doesn't seem right. It's normally takes a lot longer to get your stuff back from being hacked. So this might them just pulled the trigger way too fast, or maybe they had just a rogue agent there that was like, oh, I can't wait to tell everyone that it got approved. But anyway, it's kind of funny that I actually seen a meme that they're like, the SEC should go after themselves for insider trading, or manipulating the market, which just made me laugh because that's kind of what it was in a stupid way. But now that we are approved, that's awesome. I would like to go into the 11 different ones and just different fees. It looks like a Bitwise, a BitB ticker, and these are all of the ticker signs for the ETFs. Has the lowest fees, but they also do own a lot of fund. Their fund is huge too. But ARK is another one. Fidelity. I mean, you have a lot of different ones. Grayscale also is in here. So whichever one you feel most comfortable with, most of them run in the billions of dollars of money, so they manage. So I don't think there's a wrong one to go with per se. But I definitely am super bullish on this. I do see a lot of volatility happening, but volatility in the crypto market is fantastic because, I mean, this is going to bring some stability to the cryptocurrency market, I believe. And if there's anything that's crazy that can go from like $10 to $100, it's the crypto market. A coin like that could happen. So I wouldn't be surprised if this went to 50K tomorrow, but just on the open orders, and which leads me into my last thing, and that is, and this is an article and a review from 2021, which we were in basically our highest bull market to date. But the largest Bitcoin future ETF was actually brought back then by BITO ProShares, and they actually did $1 billion in sales that first day. Like I said, granted, that was 2021 where we were in our highest. People were buying it the most. It was the best bull cycle that we've had so far. But if that's any inclination of what we're going to see possibly tomorrow coming into these 11 different funds, I see this as a no-brainer that we're going to see crazy amounts of money coming into the market. That's why personally I am putting $50 to $100 here and there into Bitcoin. I personally see this bull run it going to all-time highs, maybe 70K. But historically speaking, it's always a year after the halving that it really shoots up. So what I think is going to happen, and this is what I think, is we're going to see 60 to 70K, and then we're going to have a halving, and then it's going to drop. Not a crazy amount. We probably won't get past 40K again, but there's always that possibility, especially in crypto. But then a year from there, I do see it going to 100 to 120,000. That's just my personal opinion. There's been traders and so many articles about how Bitcoin is going to hit 100,000 each coin, no problem. And I am definitely bullish on that. I think that will happen. We'll just have to be calm and wait for that. But that's why this is perfect time to DCA in and just dollar cost average, if you didn't know what that means. And just keep on buying because I see that it's not going to hit this time, but next time, take your profits and you can easily turn a couple thousand into 10,000s. So I love that idea of that and everything. So, but anyway, that is just my little bit of analysis, and I'm going to try to get this video out before the market opens, and so you have a video to kind of look at. Getting ready for the market to open, because I think we're going to have some crazy days. It's going to kind of remind me of the opens back in 2020 to 2021 where it was just chaos. You had oil going crazy, which kind of is now with the potential war that might be starting overseas. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you can smash that like button, and like I said, leave a comment. Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Do you think Bitcoin is just made of thin air? Do not trust the SEC or the government. Let me know. I'd love to communicate and converse with all of you. And you guys are why I do this and how I can do this, because you guys give me a platform to talk to. And if you want to send me an email too with anything, I will put my business email in the description below. But anyway, I hope we have a fantastic day tomorrow. I think we're going to see a lot of crazy things, and I can't wait to see what's up. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.